Okay, so now let's implement this comment functionality on our client side. So I'll open this client and I'll go to this home, right? And let's write some code in here. Okay, so we will be making a function first of all of const make comment, 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 right? And here we will be receiving text, and we want to send the text to our backend, and we want to send post id as well, right? Post id. Okay, and now we can make a request fetch, and we want to make a request to slash comment, and method will be put, because that will be an update request. Initially our array will be empty. I'll show you that in a minute. First let me write a little bit of the code, and inside this header we will be having content type. Make sure C is capital, content, content, type, and that will be APPLICATION application slash JSON, and we need to add authorization, AUTHORIZATION, authorization header, and that will be PEARER space plus local storage dot get item, and that is JWT. And what else we need? Oh, we need to add a body in here, body body, and I need to first stringify using json.stringify, and inside here I can pass an object. Now our object will have post id, and that will be post id which we are receiving from in here, and we will be sending text as well, and this text will be equal to text which we are receiving in here. Now you can condense this down to just post id, because key and value both are equal. So yeah, I can do that. So I can just condense it down to just post id and this to just text. Okay, so we need to call this make comment. Okay, so what I will do, first of all I will be commenting this, or what I will do, where is our comment input tag? This is our input tag. So what I will do, I will wrap this input tag with the form, and I'll put this form input tag inside the form, and in form here on submit I can add on submit, and we will be receiving event console. First of all I'll be preventing e.prevent default, because if we will submit this form, then form will refresh itself, so I want to prevent from it. And I will console.log, console.log event.targ target. Yeah, and I think that should be it. Okay, let's I will make this input. Oh, now I can keep this as it is. Yeah, okay, so let's start our server. Let's say yeah, so I need to start. So my Node.js server is running, so I'll be starting my client server by typing npm start. Okay, so I'll be signing with the Ramesh email ID, Ramesh, RAMESS, Ramesh at the rate RAMESS, Ramesh, not A, to at the rate Ramesh at the rate Ramesh.com, and the password was 1234. Let's click on login, and let's wait for a few seconds, and sign in success. Okay, so yeah, so now let's try to add a comment, some comment in here. Let's say nice pic. If I hit enter, now here you can see we are logging this form, right? And now I want to get the value of this input. For that, in here inside this form we have just one input, so I can access that. So I can access this input by putting the 0, because we have because we want to access the 0th element, and that is the input, right? And here I can put value in order to access the value of this value, like so. Now if I do this one more time, okay, so now let's write something in here. If I do nice pick and if I hit enter here, you can see nice pick is getting logged. Okay, yeah. So now we can call this make comment with text and post ID. So we have text and we can access posted ID from the item. Okay, so now instead of console.log, I'll be calling make comment, and this is the text, right? And here we need to pass post ID. So we have post ID available in item. So here we can write item dot underscore ID. Yeah. And now if we got the response, okay, now here we need to add then, and if response, and we will pass the response to JSON first, and that will again return us a promise. So we need to add another then, and finally we will get our result, right? Result. And first of all, I'll console.log result, console.log result, and now I can add the same logic which we added in here, right? So I can copy this, Control C, right, and Control V, and yeah, so we will be iterating over the existing array. We will receive individual item. If the item ID is equal to the result ID, then we will return the result, that is the updated record, as item. Okay, this will be a same logic. So now I can update set data, this one, right, set data, and where it is, make comment set data, and I can pass new data like so. Now what I can do, why it is showing like so, uncode detected, unreachable code, where, let me see where we have wrote this. Oh, we need not to write it here, instead Control X, here we need to write that here. Okay, yeah, so I think everything should be fine. We have results. So here I can add a catch block. If we have any error, so we'll receive error in it, and for now I can just console.log the error if there is any error. Okay, and now I can show the comment on the post. So let's say we will be showing our comments maybe after this body, right? Okay, above this input. Yeah, so here we need to iterate in the comments array, right? We need to iterate in the comments array. So in the item, now we will have comments dot comments, comments, and inside this comment I can put a map. Now I can iterate over it, so we will get individual record, and we can return, I'll be returning maybe h6, and inside this h6 I'll have a span tag. Okay, so inside this, from this record, I can access the posted by posted posted by. Inside this posted by we will have name, right? Okay, and I can add a little style, so I can make this little bolder. So I'll be adding a style, style to this, and I can make font weight, and let's say 500. Okay, yeah, and I'll put a space in here. Now I want to add the actual comment, so that is available in record.txt, like so. Now I'll show you in the console.log that we have all this result, right? I will show you this in this result, right? Okay, yeah, I think this should be the logic, and we are done with this logic. Okay, so now let's have a look on our React.js side. So now if I open this post initially, now here you can see initially we will have the empty comments. Inside here you can see we have this comments empty, right? So now I'll be adding a comment in this. So maybe nice pick. I'll hit enter, and I'll wait for response in here. You must be logged in. And I think, do we have added authorization header? Oh, I have did a typo, AUTHORI, authorization. Make sure the spelling is correct and make sure this spelling is correct, else you will get errors, right? And let's save this. Okay, let's do this one more time. So here I'll be writing nice pick, hit enter. Now here you can see we are getting response. What response I am getting? Oh my bad, this was terrible. I am getting a response with line number 83, that is result, and I am making a request on comment route. Let me see what logic here we have wrote. That is correct. Why we are getting uh, why we are getting this empty? And we have got likes. Inside this likes we have, I'll do this one more time. Maybe we have done something wrong in here. Text with the post ID application / JSON, and we are making a post request. We are receiving from the front end. We are pushing that COMME. Oh my bad, COMME NTS. Oh my bad, this was terrible. Seriously. Okay, I have made so many mistakes. Okay, I'll refresh everything first of all. Okay, and I'll test this out one more time. Let's cross our fingers. Nice pick. Hit enter. Let's wait for response. Here you can see Ramesh, nice pick. Amazing, beautiful. I'm loving it. I am absolutely loving it. Here you can see nice pick has added, right? Nice pick has added by the Ramesh, right? Yeah. But the name is invisible now, right? What just happened? So we are not able to see the name, and there's one more little issue which I want to show you. First of all, it is saying to add a key while iterating. Okay, that's completely fine. Okay, now let me refresh this. Okay, now here you can see we have just nice pick and we are not able to see the person who posted this pic. I know the reason for that, because we didn't add it populated. Now, first of all, I'll be giving this a key while iterating, because as it is throwing us a warning to add a key. So in here I can add a key, and that will be record dot underscore id. Okay, this should solve our problem. So now come to this post route, and instead in here, from where are we accessing this name? Inside this post we have posted by. Okay, so I will go to this get post. Right in here I want to populate some more stuff. Populate. I want to populate COMMENT comments area, and comments area have post posted by, and from that I want to get the ID of the person who added a comment and the name of the person, right? Okay, so this should solve the first issue. Let's try to make another comment, right? Or let's refresh this. We should be able to see the name in here who posted. Okay, the first issue is solved, but let's try to make another comment, right? Let's try to make another comment. Let's say beautiful. I will hit enter. I'll wait for response. We are getting a response, but why the name is getting hidden? And okay, so I think we need to populate this posted by as well. isn't it? Yeah, we need to populate this posted by. Okay, my bad. Yeah, that is why the name is getting hidden. But this should be not an issue. But let's do that. So in here we need to populate postd posted by, and yeah, and we want to get id underscore id and the name. Okay, let's save this and let's see if this fixes the issue. I'll be making one more comment. I'll first refresh everything, right? Okay, so maybe I can make a comment to this record, maybe, right? I can add beautiful mountain. I can hit enter, and here you can see, and the name is also visible. Okay, beautiful, 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 isn't it? So we successfully did it. We successfully did it, right? Okay. Yeah, this is beautiful. We are also able to like the post, right? Yeah, okay, amazing. I'm loving, absolutely loving this, right? Okay. So we successfully added the comment functionality, right? So maybe this is it for the video. We will add some more functionality maybe in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.